Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got the heat, got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is so different, guys, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session.
Eureka!
This one is called Shiryo Inu.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Guys, Shiryo Inu is the latest community-focused token to launch on the Ethereum network. Their team is assembled from some of the most experienced individuals in DeFi, and they want nothing more than to make Shiryo Inu the next big thing. They have some huge plans in the works, guys, including a complex play-to-earn game to ensure that Shiryo Inu becomes synonymous with the likes of Doge, Shiba, and Floki. They're a fully functional decentralized app that allows for the minting of trading packs with random cards. Launching with Shiryo Pack, their Ikiro Inu, Onro Inu, and Ichigo Inu will be released as future packs. 150 NFT cards to collect in Shiryo Pack. Their NFT card packs, special edition founders pack, which will be available really soon, guys. Their limited edition card backing, the chance to mint alpha and mythic beasts, playable in their game, which is coming soon as well, guys. Trade cards in their marketplace, also coming soon. 150 cards to collect. As for the summon monsters, players will be able to connect to the decentralized app and select 50 of their cards to form a deck. Minimum 5 element cards will be required, guys. 1 season card can be placed per turn. The stronger the Shiryo Inu monsters and the more season cards required to be placed to summon them. Their game and NFTs are coming soon. Their native token will be fair launched in order to provide the play to earn element of the NFT game. Players will be able to win tokens based on their performance in the game, and they will also host weekly competitions for the top player. More updates regarding the play to earn elements will be released on their Telegram and Twitter accounts in due course. Stay tuned for more information, guys. In regards to the elements, these are required to activate more powerful abilities. The fire, the earth, the thunder, and the water. Weaker elemental abilities require 1 element card to activate. The stronger abilities require up to 5. As for the tokenomics of the token, guys, a generous taxation amount allows for the sustenance and security of the token. Their initial supply, guys, I'm not even going to try to pronounce that number. It's a lot of tokens, 18 zeros to be specific. Their token distribution liquidity, 95%, developing and marketing, 5%. They're launching, they were fair launched. Total tax 11% for buys and sells, slippage 13%. So again, guys, 3% reflections in Shiryo Inu to holders, 4% marketing, and 4% development. So how do you buy? It only takes a few minutes to get yourself set up. It's very easy, guys. Step 1, you download the MetaMask Chrome extension or the mobile app. Set up your account and make sure you're connected to the Ethereum network. Step 2, guys, use Coinbase and Binance to purchase ETH and send it over to your MetaMask wallet address. If you haven't, or if you already have ETH, guys, simply send it to your MetaMask wallet. Step 3, head over to the Uniswap exchange and swap your Ethereum for Shiryo Inu. If you already hold another token, you can swap that directly for Shiryo Inu as well. Step 4, congratulations, you are now an official Shiryo Inu token holder. Join their Telegram, stay up to date with the team's announcements and progress. When it comes to their roadmap, guys, it's subject to change based on a variety of influential factors, but be sure to check out their Telegram and Twitter regularly to stay up to date. When it comes to phase 1, what they've completed: development and deployment of the smart contract, their website creation, Telegram marketing and community growth strategy, fair launch of Shiryo Inu native token. Phase 2, continue with marketing strategy and target multiple social media platforms, listing on small tier portfolio trackers. The rebranding and expansion is coming, guys. Contract audit, alpha version of game release, all coming. Phase 3, exchange listings, community giveaways, full game release, and weekly competitions. That's all coming, guys. We can look forward to that. You can buy now, guys. Join the Wolfpack, part of something huge. You can buy it on Uniswap right now, guys, and you can join their Telegram group for frequent updates. Shout out to all my students. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lambo Gang. Shout out to the Whale Gang. Shout out to the Hodl Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we would be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out.